Hi there, today we're going to show you how to apply epoxy tile grout to your tile for stronger adhesive. So we came up with a product called Upgrade Smart Epoxy Tile Grout. Epoxy grout is an incredibly strong and durable type of grout that is perfect for areas that receive a lot of foot traffic, moisture, or wear and tear. Application process is to use Smart Epoxy Tile Grout. Step 1. Prepare the surface before you start applying the grout. You want to make sure that the surface you're grouting is clean, dry, and free of any debris. Step 2. Mix the epoxy grout. Follow the instructions on the packaging carefully to make sure you get the right consistency. It's important to mix the three components together thoroughly for the best results. Step 3. Now it's time to apply the grout. Use a flotter to spread the grout over the surface of the tiles, working in small sections at a time. Step 4. Clean up once you've applied the grout. Use a damp sponge to wipe away any excess grout from the surface of the tiles. Be careful not to remove too much grout from between the tiles. Step 5. Now it's time to let the grout dry. It's important to allow the grout to dry completely before you walk or put anything on it.